Today, we are replacing this old centerset bathroom faucet. You can see it's worn out and starting to leak and look real ugly. And here's the new faucet. It's modern design, clean, and it will freshen up the bathroom. Let's get started. Here is what you need for the job. An easy change plumbing wrench for under the sink, a standard wrench, a channel lock, flashlight because it's dark under the sink, and with these tools we're ready to go. First, we need to shut off the water. The valve is push type valve. Simply pull to shut off the water. Make sure the water is completely off before moving forward. The sink plug is spring-loaded. Push to close and push to open, where you just press the stopper with your finger instead of using the lift rod. This is much easier to install than the old-fashioned pop-up drain assembly. Disconnect and remove the old drain pipe. The new faucet comes with its own sink plug and drain pipe. And next, we need to disconnect the water line from the old faucet. Use the easy plumbing wrench to loosen and remove the mounting nut that connects the water line to the faucet. Sometimes things don't go very smoothly. In this case, the faucet nut is broken and it won't budge. And in this case, I have to use an oscillation tool to carefully cut through the plastic nut. And be patient. Keep a steady hand when using the oscillation tool. You want to cut this nut and not the sink. Cutting the broken nut can be very tricky. The space is very tight and the nut is hard. It takes some effort to grind it through and cut it. Keep adjusting the angle until the nut splits. And once it's cut, you can use a flathead screwdriver to pry the split nut off. Then you can finally remove the old faucet. With the old faucet is out, drop in the new faucet into place. And from below, we will tighten the new faucet nuts. Then reconnect the drain assembly. Make sure it lines up with the P-trap. Now, we attach the water line for the hot and cold. Then we tighten the faucet nut. Finally, we can turn the water back on and check for any leaks at every connection. If the drain pipe is too short, we will cut a new piece of pipe and add an extension. And make sure you have good seal. Now the bathroom has a brand new faucet with a smooth working pop-up drain. A clean, modern look, highly functional, and this will greatly boost your home value. Hope this video helped you, and thanks for watching.